You can't beat Outworld's High Mage.
Is that not former High Mage?
Round.
This fight is dedicated to the great Kung Lao.
Shouldn't you wait to see if you win?
Your replacement has been selected.
Dorfin isn't ready to be Outworld's High Mage.
Is there anything with water you cannot do?
You want me to reveal my limits? Let my story be a cautionary tale.
I, too, have hurt others with my ambition.
I will accept Melina's judgment, not Liu Kang's.
Are you sure you have thought about that enough?
I command water. You command a hat?
A lethal razor-brimmed hat.